your winners. If you have the urge to quit, you want to stop, I want to urge you not to quit by sharing with you 3 easy tips to stay on track with your fitness goals. Number 1 goal is this: set a goal. Set a goal for the near future, whether it be running a 5K, doing an obstacle course. You need to have a goal, something that you need to work towards to keep you on track with your fitness goals. Number 2, the number 2 thing you want to do is add some fun variety to your exercises. Don't go into the gym doing the same thing over and over again. Same thing with what you eat. Do not starve yourself. Make sure you add a variety of food. Just keep it balanced. You don't have to do salads every day. Just add a variety of different proteins, vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and that way it'll help you stay on track with your fitness goals. And number 3, the most important one, the most important thing you want to do is always remember why you're doing it. What are you doing it for? Because again, you're doing it to get off medication, you're doing it to get your blood pressure down, you're doing it to get your blood sugar levels down, you're doing this for yourself, for your family. What are you doing this for? Remember that. When you remember your why, you'll stick to it and you'll have the less urge to quit and want to stop. So let's do it, y'all. Let's get it. Let's win. Peace.